Do you know how to delete Instagram account permanently? Well, like its parent company Facebook, Instagram is no stranger to privacy scandals. According to Cambridge Analytica leaks, Instagram puts your privacy at risk, leaks of passwords and automatically tracking your location by default. Additionally, it shares your in-app activity, likes, comments, how you interact with stories, etc. Recently, it has been telling other users when you are online, and when was the last time you logged in. In addition, with new reports on how social media is affecting mental health, it is no wonder that a growing group of Instagram users is planning to quit Instagram for good. When it comes to your online sharing habits, if you want to be a little bit less immature, you might deactivate or delete your social media accounts too. If you are thinking about deleting your Instagram account, we will guide you step by step how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So, let's start. Instagram account can only be deleted through a web browser, so don't waste your time in searching within the Instagram mobile app. Follow these simple steps to permanently delete your Instagram account. Step number 1. Open your web browser and type instagram.com. Step number 2. Now log into your account by providing your credentials, that's your username, email or phone number and password. Step number 3. Now open new tab and type the following URL or web address. It will take you to delete your account page. Step number 4. After the page fully loaded, now you can see the question, why are you deleting your account? In front of the question, select the reason for leaving or deleting your account from the drop-down menu. Step number 5. Now type your password again in the password section. You can see below the password section that it will give you a date that your account will be deleted on that date. In our case, it tells that our account will be deleted on July 4th, 2022, which means that it will take minimum 30 days and maximum 90 days to delete an Instagram account, according to the terms and policies of Instagram. Final step. Now hit or click the delete button you can see at the bottom of the page to finalize the account deletion process. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like and share the videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.